All right, and we're done. We've already hung up our Grizzly model G0572 air filtration system. I still wear, some kind of protection as far as the dust and everything that's in the air, but this makes a dramatic difference in what's going on in here. What I also really like about this one is it has a wireless remote, so you can turn this on for the low, medium, and high setting that it has. So go ahead and turn on low. You can actually hear people in the top just fine. Even if you turn it up to the high, and then back down to low. And then you just go ahead and hit off, and that's it. If you have any other questions or anything I can help you out with as far as the install or setup or recommendations on how to set up your shop, just let me know. We'll get back to you right away. Thanks.